welcome back. Today it is freezing outside. It's as cold as it gets here in Pennsylvania where I live. It's 7 degrees. I'm not going to say it would never go any less than that, but not much. 7's about as cold as I can remember, and hopefully it won't stay here very long. I was going to try to set up and video me getting the heat going and all that stuff, but it was too cold and I was in a hurry. I had to go to the back on the quad, the one that I showed in the last video, and get the generator, get the heater out of the other shed. I have a kerosene heater which works really well, and got the generator started, got the heater going, thawed out a little bit in here. Today's President's Day. I happen to be off from work, so I'm up here. I'm going to put up a couple bird feeders. I figured it's the dead of the winter, and we were at Lowe's the other day and didn't have anything else to buy, so we bought a couple bird feeders, and I think we'll make maybe a squirrel feeder I saw on someone else's channel there, Brave the Wild's channel. And I think I'm going to make one of those, maybe throw that together real quick. I got some lumber out here and I got a saw, so I think I can probably do that pretty quick. And then we're going to go to the back and hang the bird houses if it's not too cold. I'll get something to eat. I'm going to mess around here for a little bit, and then I'll head on out. It's about noon time, and it's cold out, so stay with me. Okay, well, there you are. It's about 1:30, and I filled up the bird feeders there. Bird feeder number 1, bird feeder number 2, and there is the squirrel feeder a la Kenny from Brave the Wilds. So I have my squirrel food right there, and that's the bird food that I was using. And I'm going to head back very soon and hang those up. I do have a squirrel chute or cover or whatever you want to call for the big one, for that one right there. I have a cover that goes over the top, keep the squirrels off. So at least some of the bird seed won't get eaten by squirrels. That one I'm just going to leave out. And of course that one will have squirrel food in it specifically for the squirrel. So we'll see how it works out. Alright, that's the tree where the trail can usually hangs. And there's one of them right there. That's the big boy. Okay. And then just saw that one and the other one. That one I can pick out because it's light against the tree there. There's that one. And then the other one is right over there. Now I'm not going to get carried away on the firewood because I want to go home. I'm just going to get a part of a load. Enough to last us the rest of the week. And then we should be good. Just going to kind of throw it down that one side. Just going to kind of throw it down in there. And then I'm going to get going. The snowy stuff for next time. That's about all we need. It'll be starting to get nice sometime Maybe we can march something like that. That's enough. It's not enough, but it's enough. It'll hopefully hold us. If not, I can always run back up here. It's not that far. Run back up here, get another half a load or wherever it is to the weekend. But we should be in pretty good shape. So I'm going to wrap up, get on home. It's, what time is it here? Phone's dead. It's probably 4:30, 4:45, something like that. So I'm going to get wrapped up, and I'll see you another day. Thanks for joining me.